Here's a 2016 Audi Allroad. Unleash your adventurous side in this rugged yet sophisticated Allroad and surround yourself in premium luxury and cargo capability. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, four-wheel drive, and turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Car and Driver explains, the cabin is well turned out as you'd expect, a veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.